Yo, I'm about to share with you an easy side hustle that any Uber driver can do to start earning some passive income. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you are an Uber driver and you're looking to earn even more money, which a lot of Uber drivers do because they got that entrepreneur, go-getter attitude, they're usually always looking for ways to earn some more money. So one way that you can do it that you might have heard of and never actually thought of doing is network marketing. Now, I'm not talking about the old school network marketing opportunities where you got to pay thousands of dollars to get started with, and you got to buy a whole bunch of products and you got to do home meetings and all that. No. We're talking about the new era of network marketing, which is way better than that old school shit that people couldn't be successful with. So if you're not exactly familiar with what network marketing is, it's basically where you promote a product or a service and you get an upfront commission for bringing in personal referrals, but then you actually start earning extra money from the efforts of every person that you bring in. So it's really about creating a passive income and leveraging other people's efforts. Network marketing is by far one of the most underrated ways to start earning passive income. Now, what makes network marketing such an incredible opportunity for Uber drivers is because you can promote your opportunity with ease. Because all you need to do to promote your opportunity is just put a simple flyer in your car. That's it. You don't even got to say nothing to nobody if you don't want to. All you need to do is just advertise in your car. And the best way to do that is get a simple 4x6 flyer, postcard, whatever, and just stick it to the back of your headrest. That's all you need to do. So I'm about to give you 3 of the best network marketing opportunities that you can get involved with to start creating some extra income. And I'm also going to give you an example of the flyers that you can have in your car. So each one of these opportunities are completely different, but each one appeal to the masses and they all have incredible earning potential. So you want to pick the opportunity that best resonates with you and what you're into. But honestly, when it comes to earning some extra cash, you really can't go wrong with any of these opportunities. All right, so if you are an Uber driver and you want to start earning some passive income, one company that you can promote is LivGood. Now, LivGood is super popular right now. A lot of people are talking about this in the affiliate marketing, network marketing industry. Thousands of people are joining LivGood every single week. Now, LivGood is a membership website that gives its members access to their products at a heavily discounted price. Right now, LivGood primarily is focusing on the health and wellness products, but in the future, they are planning on expanding out into different niches. So when you think about the LivGood opportunity, you want to think about Amazon or Sam's Club or Costco, right? Membership sites that people can save money with. But what makes LivGood different than an Amazon or a Sam's Club or a Costco is they pay you. So here is an example of a flyer that you can have in your car while you're driving Uber. All right, check this out. Imagine people seeing this on the back seat, you know what I'm saying, when they riding in your car and they reading this opportunity. All they have to do, see that little QR code right there, right? Boom. They can scan that and be taken to your affiliate page where they can watch a short video and sign up to be a LivGood affiliate. Now, for every referral that you bring into LivGood, you are going to earn a one-time $25 fast start commission, right? And that's cool in itself, right? Because them $25 will add up. But for every person that you bring in who decides to really promote this opportunity, you are going to earn a 50% matching bonus. So, for example, say you riding around, you know what I'm saying? You're doing your thing, pick somebody up, right? They look at this flyer, they're like, they don't say shit to you. They look at this and say, oh, this is interesting. They scan it, they check out the video, they decide to join LivGood, right? And for whatever reason, they're a go-getter. They loving this opportunity. Like, yo, I'm gonna work the hell out of LivGood. And just say that one person start earning $1,000 in 6 months, right? You maybe never seen this person again, right? Just say this person just start earning $1,000 a month in LivGood. Because you brought them in, yes, you got your $25 fast start commission months earlier, but now you're going to be earning 50% of that $1,000 monthly. Now you're going to be earning $500 a month from that one referral. So you got to ask yourself, as an Uber driver, all the people that you pick up, right? How many people might join you in LivGood? If you are an Uber driver looking for some extra cash, you can promote NexusSnap. All right, now NexusSnap is a cashback and savings membership site. Now NexusSnap gives its members the opportunity to pretty much save or get money back every time they shop on or offline. So if you decide to become a NexusSnap Pro member, it will give you the ability to not only get access to all of these cashback and savings apps, it's going to give you the ability to become an affiliate and start earning a passive income. So what you can do is get a flyer printed out just like this and put it on the back of your seat. All right. So somebody could come in your car, you're doing your thing, boom, without even talking to you. This thing is so catchy, right? They'll look at it, they'll check it out. And if they decide like, oh, this shit look dope, right? If they decide to join NexusSnap and decide to become a pro member just like you, you're going to earn a $25 fast start commission. So not only can you earn a quick $25 commission, you're going to actually be able to earn from the efforts of that person promoting NexusSnap as well. Now, I really love this opportunity because it really appeals to the masses, because ask yourself, who wouldn't want to save money whenever they shop? And who wouldn't want to make some extra cash, right? So trust me, if you are an Uber driver and you picking up a lot of people, you're going to get some traction with this opportunity. Without a doubt, you're going to get people going to that flyer, scanning it on their phones, and checking out NexusSnap. And remember, all you need to do is have this flyer visible to your riders. Now, if you are an Uber driver looking for a way to earn some extra cash, this opportunity can definitely do that. Opportunity that I'm talking about is called Got Backup. Now, Got Backup is a data storage service that allows people the ability to be able to save all of their videos, their photos, their documents, and you can have up to 6 family members on one account. Now, Got Backup offers one of the best services and online business opportunities out there. Because honestly, the opportunity speaks for itself. So if you decide to become a Got Backup affiliate, all you need to do is get a flyer printed out just like this and tape it to the back of your headrest and then just drive. Because like I just said, when people see this, the opportunity speaks for itself. So for every referral that you bring into Got Backup, you are going to earn a $20 fast start commission and then $2.50 a month per referral. Now, because this is a network marketing opportunity, you're going to be given the opportunity to earn from the efforts of every personal referral that you bring in to Got Backup. So not only can you earn that $20 up front from your referral, not only will you earn the $2.50 a month per referral, but you're also going to earn from the efforts of that person promoting Got Backup. So that one referral could ultimately earn you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in the future with Got Backup. Now, I really like Got Backup because this is a service that everybody needs and it's super easy to promote, and the earning potential is ridiculous. So I just gave you 3 of the best network marketing opportunities that you can promote as an Uber driver. I got links to each one in the description of this video, so just pick the one that best fits you.